Meet RobotShift, an autonomous AI foreman designed to keep modern smart factories running without costly downtime. When an unexpected hardware breakdown halts a production line, RobotShift steps in to handle the entire incident response pipeline instantly. Traditional troubleshooting is painfully slow. Engineers waste hours manual checking physical machinery, digging through hundreds of pages of technical documentation, and coordinating with separate warehouse databases. RobotShift solves this by combining advanced LLM reasoning, RAG for instant diagnostics, and tool calling to verify spare parts in real time. Let's look at the closed-loop workflow in action. The dashboard continuously monitors live fleet telemetry. Suddenly, an anomaly strikes. Robot RBT-04 reports a critical servo failure, error code ERR_servo_402. Instantly, the AI agent kicks off multi-turn interactions. It queries technical manuals via RAG to diagnose the root cause, calls the warehouse API to locate the exact replacement part on the shelf, and dynamically shifts production tasks to a healthy neighboring robot, RBT-05, maintaining continuous assembly line velocity. Safety and compliance come first. RobotShift does not automate physical repairs blindly. It generates a ready-to-execute work order, leaving the final safety confirmation strictly to the human engineer via a secure authorization gate. Fully functional, data-compliant, and deployed on Vercel, RobotShift bridges the gap between AI and industrial manufacturing. Thank you.